The humble sea turtle is facing a challenging time. Deaths are on the increase, with already 649 reported this year by the state government. This is a rise of 213 from the same period last year. At Reef HQ, the Turtle Hospital, in its second year running, is at capacity, with the majority of turtles being admitted with floating syndrome.
They come in with floating syndrome, and they also have pneumonia as well. This can be caused by eating plastic bags or other rubbish, and it causes them to float. And when this happens, they're unable to dive down and eat, and they end up getting washed ashore and finally being stranded on the beach.
When the turtles first arrive at the hospital, they are given a freshwater bath.
This freshwater bath will kill off any parasites, also kills the barnacles, and after that they're treated with antibiotics, and that's given into a flipper into their muscle, and basically they get worm treatment, and that's about it, all we can do for them in the short term.
Turtle conservation is a worldwide issue. JCU third-year environmental science student Lisa Stevenson travelled to Costa Rica to get involved with their conservation projects.
That was looking for actual turtles that came up onto the beach or the nests, because what would happen if we found a turtle or a nest, we'd wait until the eggs had all been laid and then they'd be dug up, and we would dig an artificial nest and put the eggs into it to protect them from any predators or poachers that might be in the area. And other than that, you could either be put on hatchery watch, which was watching the hatchery to make sure nothing got in.
The community can all play a part in protecting the species.
Council community and any community anywhere can really think about what they are flushing down the drain or what they're putting into the rubbish, because quite a lot of rubbish does end up in the oceans, and unfortunately turtles feed on jellyfish and especially plastic bags. They get wrapped around and choked because they mistake them for jellyfish. There's also problems with fertiliser and runoff from agriculture areas, sedimentation and urban development, because what happens is that these disturb the coastlines and put sediment into the water, and that chokes the seagrass meadows because they don't have enough sunlight, and therefore there's the risk that turtles may starve because they don't have enough food.
If you find a turtle in distress, please call the Animal Strandings hotline on 1300 264 625.